All right, hi, welcome back, Attorney Steve Vondran. We got a great case here for you today. The case of the Google puppy fraud. Google puppy fraud. All right, so here was a new case that was filed. I mean, it's not a laughing matter. I don't mean to laugh. It's kind of sad, actually. But Google filed a lawsuit. This is filed in the United States District Court of the Northern District of California, San Jose Division, okay? Google versus, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. You can pronounce that, but it's somebody out of the country who was perpetrating a puppy scheme where you could basically, using Google ads and various websites and domains to sell puppies, Basset Hound puppies that didn't exist. Pretty sad. Look at that. I would buy that too. I'd buy, who's that? Basset Hound Hattie. I would buy Hattie too. $700. So this person was running a scam, trying to sell, really targeting elderly folks and other vulnerable persons during the pandemic. And you can see here just running various fake websites and getting your money and then basically not delivering any products and so forth and so on, using services such as Gmail, Google Voice, and dozens of fraudulent Google accounts to communicate false promises to victims, registering fraudulent websites with the U.S. internet hosting companies and requesting and receiving payments, all in violation of Google's terms of service. So interestingly, it's kind of like a consumer protection lawsuit, really. But Google is claiming that it's a breach of their terms of service and that this breach has caused them damages. And I guess you could say, it would hurt their business goodwill a little bit if people are, selling things using Google ads and then harming innocent victims like that. So I'm not going to go too much into it. I just wanted to let you know. I mean, it's always hard when you're going against an out-of-state defendant here. Here we can see how they're going after them. In federal court, you have two ways to get in. One is called a federal question. The other one is diversity. Complete diversity. That means there are two companies are in different states, that a plaintiff and a defendant are in different states, and the amount in controversy exceeds $75,000. So that's what they're alleging. And like I said, I think there's a couple other pictures. If you want to read this, you can pause it and stop it. I thought there was a couple other pictures here. Look at this. Family home Basset Hounds for sale. Oh, that looks, they need a nice home. Look at those cute dogs. Look at them. And so, yeah, it's unfortunate. We welcome all dog lovers into our world of Basset Hounds. So they were doing these ads that would really draw you in. I mean, look at that. Oh, look at that cutie. So, folks, be careful when you're out there on the internet. I know things can look tempting and appealing. Look at these little cutie. Look at that little cutie. Oh, so, but just be careful. We'll keep you posted. I assume that the defendant is probably judgment proof or going to be hard to find or hard to get a judgment against. But here you have it, the breach of contract cause of action. And I think that's the only cause of action, yeah. And so here's what they're seeking: a judgment against the defendant, that they breached their contracts with Google in violation of California law. They want a permanent injunction stopping this from happening again, on and on. Damages, including compensatory, statutory, and punitive damages. You know what those are? Damages designed to punish and deter and send a message. And costs and attorney fees. I don't know what grounds they're going to have for attorney fees, but we'll see. But anyway, there is the case filed. There's a ton of exhibits, so forth and so on. But I just wanted to let you know about the sad puppy case, and hopefully there'll be some vindication. But be on your guard. There's people out there willing to do horrible things, and they may be out of this country, very hard to locate, very hard to recover against. So if you're not sure, get some help. Ask somebody, ask your kids, your family, is this real? Is this legitimate? Before you spend your money. So hoping for a great outcome. Google doing the right thing, and we'll keep you posted. Have a great day. Bye now. General legal information only, not legal advice. Gotta run. Take care.